Esther is here. Aren't you the cutest little baby? Yeah, I have to film her birth story soon, but there she is. And Becky and Ruben. And today we are here to film their second grade nature notebooks. For Ruben's second grade and Becky's kindergarten year. So their second grade year, I was pregnant and had a baby. So we didn't do as much as I should have, but I'm very pleased with what we did get done. And they're very excited that I'm filming. So we're gonna start with Ruben's, and I'm gonna show you his nature notebook and what he drew and put in it this year. I don't make the kids do it in order, so they just find a blank page and draw. And we do our drawing weekly in our nature notebook. Oh, I had it upside down. So there's his boat and his cake. Was it a cake or is it like a layered?
It's like a layered cake.
Dessert thing.
That's a cup.
This is when we drew the pool and the slide outside, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
And this is our feather study for nature, right?
Yeah.
Was this the groundhog study?
Yeah.
This is the acorn.
And we also put in here our animals that we were studying from year 2. A leaf.
Becky moved up.
Oh, Becky drew in your notebook?
Yeah. Spoon.
A spoon?
Yeah.
More animals.
Butterflies.
Oh, I
and
love
chicken.
those. A chicken. I love the chicken. It's amazing. The Burgess bird animals are the best. Looks like the snitch, but I bet it's a dragonfly.
A pig.
A happy piggy. And a train. You drew the train for our first week of year 3 too.
That's a parrot. That's a chicken.
No, just like a duck.
Hey look, another one of those desserts. Danny Meadow Mouse and Nimbles the jumping mouse.
Oh, there's another chicken.
Mm-hmm.
No, that's a bird.
Did you make that stinky, Esther?
Owl.
Swallow, November 2022.
That.
A fish.
That's a great fish. It looks delicious. Oop. You alright?
That's neighbor.
Are you okay, Becky? A house and a pizza. What if you made a pizza house? A house made out of pizza. Would you eat it or sleep in it?
Eat it. That's the starting of a boat, and that's Pac-Man.
Where's the city?
House.
Kit Fox.
Some of this book is blank.
Water droplets. So our water droplet study that we did with Nature Group.
Boat.
A boat.
Blank.
You still got some pages to fill up in here.
I wish I had done it in order.
It's okay, you can do your year 3 nature notebook in order. A bat from our bat study. More animals. A flower.
I don't know what that is.
I don't either. That's okay.
Sometimes I try to draw something and it didn't work out.
Yes, I do that all the time. Try to knit something and it doesn't work out sometimes. That's an eclipse, it says. We drew the eclipse apparently. There's our gray wolf study, wolf tracks.
Sea otter.
Yeah, and
a
a
cat.
Meow. And that's it. It ends with another chicken.
I do a lot of chicken.
Yeah. So, Ruben, do you like drawing?
Not very much.
Painting? What about nature study? You like that one? Yeah, I do too. All right, we'll see you next year for your year 3. All right, guys, here is Becky, Rebecca, and her nature journal. Becky is in kindergarten, and this is her nature journal. She has the house wren, nest, and feathers here. Well, she was in preschool last year. This year she's in kindergarten. Is that a chicken? There's her feather, and a flower, and her leaf. And these are feathers too, right, Becky? No, what are they? They're trees? Oh, sorry.
Berries. And butterflies.
Yeah. We put Becky's animals in here too. Becky is in kindergarten this year, and next year she will start year 1 Ambleside. There's our chair study. Is Ruben drew this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes our nature notebooks got a little bit mixed up, didn't they?
Yeah.
You're about to need to be picked up, aren't you? Yes, you are. I can tell. Ooh, pretty. I like this one, Becky. And the gold. Very, very pretty. What's this?
Humpty Dumpty.
Oh, is it Humpty Dumpty? Oh, those are blank. Yep. Okay.
Brown.
Crown.
Crown.
A ladybug. So Becky is in preschool, so she doesn't have to do nature journaling, but she loves to do it with us.
There's my doll.
There's her doll that she drew. What do you think Esther's nature journal will be like when she starts journaling? She needs a few years, right?
She starts when she's 4
That's it.
or
There
5.
you go. Do you like drawing, Becky?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you draw all the time, and do you have cherry on your face from our snack?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love you. Can't wait to see what you draw next year for a kindergarten year. Say bye.
Bye.
Ruben.